Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with the new chapter Advanced Features of Excel 2016. So far we have learned various features about Excel 2016. In this chapter we'll learn the visual representation of the database so created. So we'll represent the chart in various forms and even learn about the Sparklines. So let's begin with what is a chart, components of a chart, commonly used chart in Excel 2016, creating a chart, chart elements, formatting a chart, inserting sparklines. So let's just start the chapter.
The Excel 2016 has many advanced features. What is a chart? A chart is a visual representation of data in both columns and rows. Charts are usually used to analyze trends and patterns in data sets. Let's say you have been recording the sales figures in Excel for the past 3 years. Using charts, you can easily tell which year had the most sales and which year had the least. You can also draw charts to compare set targets against actual achievements. Importance of a chart. It allows to visualize data graphically. It's easier to analyze trends and patterns in data sets. It is easy to interpret compared to data in cells. Components of a chart. Data labels. Chart title. Grid lines. Y-axis. Data series. Plot area. Chart area. X-axis. Creating a chart. Click on the cell to enter a formula. Click Insert tab. And then click on the Recommended Charts in the Charts group. On the Recommended Charts tab, scroll through the list of charts that Excel recommends for the data and click all the charts to see how the data will look. Click on the desired chart. Click on OK button. The chart will appear on the worksheet. Chart elements. Different parts that make up a chart are referred to as chart elements. We use chart elements such as axis title, data series, chart title, legend, grid lines, and any other component of the chart whenever required. Formatting a chart. Select the chart. This activates the chart tools on the ribbon. Use the features available on the Design tab to change the chart type, swap the rows and columns, or adjust what data is charted. For example, switching the columns and rows changes the look of the chart, even though the row data has not changed. Apply a chart style. Move the chart from the datasheet to its own tab or vice versa. Use features available on the Design tab. Insert a picture, shape or text box. Adjust the labels, including moving the legend, editing tiles, and adding data labels, like values. Adjust the axis and grid lines, for example, showing number on the axis in millions and adding or removing grid lines. Format the background. Add trend lines to forecast future data or error bars to show potential error amounts. Use the features available on the Format tab to apply a style, fill, outline, or effect. For example, to change the color of the bars, apply and format word art. Use the drop-down list in the current selection group and quickly adjust which area of the chart is to be formatted. Moving and resizing a chart. Click on an empty area of the chart. Excel selects the chart and surrounds it with border and handles. The mouse pointer changes to Step 2. Click and drag the chart to the desired location. Release the mouse button. Now, the chart is moved. To resize a chart, click on an empty area of the chart. Excel selects the charts and surrounds it with borders and handles. Move mouse over the handle of the chart. The mouse pointer changes to click and drag the handle to resize the chart. A shaded border represents the chart as it resized on the worksheet. Release the mouse button. Excel resizes the chart. Changing a chart type. Click on an empty area of the chart. Click on Design tab on the ribbon. Click on Change Chart Type button. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Click on the desired new chart type. Click on the desired chart style. Click the desired configuration to use. Click on OK button. Excel changes the chart to the selected chart type, changing a chart style. Click on an empty area of the chart. Click on Design tab on the ribbon. Click on a new chart style from the Chart Styles group, changing the layout of a chart. Click on an empty area of the chart. Click on Design tab on the ribbon. Click on Quick Layout. Click on a new layout from the Chart Layouts group. Excel applies new layout to the existing chart. Adding a chart title. Click on Design tab on the ribbon. Click on Add Chart Element. Click on Axis Titles. Click on an Axis option. You can also click on Chart Element button to add more elements to the chart. Excel adds new title to the chart. You can replace the placeholder text with your own title text. You can click anywhere outside the selected title to deselect the title. Inserting a Smart Art chart. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Illustrations. Click on Smart Art. Choose a Smart Art graphic dialog box appears. Click on the type of chart. Click on the subtype of chart. The preview of selected type appears in this area. Click on OK button. Excel adds the graphic to the worksheet and displays the Type Your Text Here dialog box after clicking the text pane in Create Graphic Group. Type text into the dialog box. The text typed in Type Your Text Here box will appear in the Smart Art chart. Click outside the chart to view it. Smart Art can be formatted by using Smart Art tools. Inserting Sparklines. Select the desired row or column of data to visualize the sparklines to appear. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Column inside the Sparklines group. Create Sparklines dialog box will appear. Data range appears here. Click inside the Location range box. Click the desired cell for the sparklines to appear. Location range box displays the address of that cell, which has selected in this cell. Sparklines will appear. Click on OK button.